So, come in. One of the joys that we have to do in property is clear up other people's mess. So, one of the properties that we bought recently has got this huge oil drum. Well, I say huge, it's big enough, but it's full of old engine oil. And obviously I can't leave it here because it just needs to be moved. I can't find a lid that's big enough just to go on this one, a cap, just to take it away from that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to siphon that oil into these old AdBlue containers, and then at least then I can put the lid on and then decide how I'm going to dispose of it afterwards. So yeah, it's all joys, and this is what I'm doing on my very cold and frosty Sunday morning. Right, let's get this done, and hopefully I won't get it all over me. I've even had to buy a funnel. But you know, I mean, a lot of the time people don't post stuff like this. I mean, it's engine oil, it's been left behind. I can't leave it here, you know. What have we got there as well? Look, we've got a Sony radio. Just dumped. I don't know what this is. Oh, hang on, what's in there? Oh, nice. Oh, I've got a rope, look. Got a nice rope.
Oh, there's probably a nice mouse nest under there.
Yeah, well, it probably is. What else have we got? What's this? Don't know. An old magazine, an old oil drum, and what looks like an asbestos tile, asbestos roofing tile, which we'll have to make sure that that's made safe. I'm not touching that, just to make sure it's removed in the appropriate way. It's all good fun. Anyway, right, let's get rid of this oil. I should have put gloves on, shouldn't I? I didn't bring any gloves with me. I don't think it's going to be big enough. There's a lot of water in there as well. It's getting all gloopy now, all the crap. Dirty, horrible job. I didn't bring any gloves. Oh well, I'm here. I'm not going home until I've done it. Right, where's the lid for that one? That would be the irony, wouldn't it? Yeah. Put it down and I can't find the lid. Well, at least we can find another lid. Right. There we go. That's it, it's empty. It's empty anyway, so. Oh, I hate my back, that's really heavy that. So, let's put the lids on. At least now it can be disposed of safely. Can you see if the lid's in my pocket?
Dun, dun, dun.
So we've got this one. And then I'll work out how I'm going to get rid of it a little bit later, safely. So at least now we can move it. So that can just be dumped. We'll get rid of that, put it in a bag and throw it away.
I need to pull your trousers up.
And that can be taken to be disposed of in the correct manner. So there you go. It's my Sunday.